year 2026 brings something truly unexpected, something that rewrites the rules of luxury travel and supercar heritage. The Lamborghini Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it is a vision that merges the raw DNA of an Italian supercar with the freedom and comfort of a rolling luxury mansion. Imagine standing in front of a machine that stretches the presence of Lamborghini design across an entirely new canvas, where the sharp aerodynamic lines, aggressive stance, and unmistakable Y-shaped signature lights are not limited to a coupe or a roadster, but expanded into a grand motorhome that still carries the unmistakable aura of speed. The front fascia looks like it was born on a racetrack, low and wide, with air intakes sculpted to slice through the wind, while the elongated body flows backward with Lamborghini's futuristic design language that has been reinterpreted for scale. From a distance it feels impossible, like a concept sketch brought to life, yet it rolls forward as a reality, a testament to engineering ambition. As you approach the motorhome, the details unfold like a work of art. The body is crafted with lightweight carbon fiber composites, reducing mass while maintaining rigidity, something unheard of in the world of motorhomes, yet entirely logical for Lamborghini. The wheels are massive, forged alloys with intricate patterns that echo Lamborghini supercar rims, and behind them sit carbon ceramic brakes, because even a motorhome bearing the Raging Bull badge must stop like a supercar. The stance is adjustable thanks to an advanced air suspension system, giving it the flexibility to lower itself close to the ground when parked, almost like a futuristic villa on wheels, or raise itself for uneven terrains when adventure calls. The paint options are not ordinary shades but exclusive Lamborghini tones, from Verde Mantis to Giallo Orion, shimmering under sunlight, daring you to treat this motorhome as more than just a machine, but a statement. Step inside and you find yourself in a world where automotive performance meets high-end Italian interior design. The cockpit feels like the command center of a spaceship, with a digital instrument cluster inspired by Lamborghini's race telemetry, displaying everything from speed to torque distribution to the power status of its hybrid engine system. The steering wheel carries the familiar hexagonal theme, wrapped in Alcantara, with paddle shifters placed almost as a reminder that this motorhome is not built to crawl, it's built to surge forward with authority. The dashboard stretches into the living area, seamlessly merging the driver's environment with the passenger's sanctuary, something no other motorhome has attempted at this level. The heart of this motorhome is its powertrain, a hybrid V12 system developed from Lamborghini's latest technology, delivering astonishing horsepower figures that make it the fastest motorhome the world has ever seen. With instant torque from electric motors combined with the symphony of a naturally aspirated 12-cylinder engine, the experience of driving this machine is unlike anything else on the road. Acceleration that pins you back, even when piloting something the size of a small apartment, feels surreal, and yet the engineers have made it manageable, smooth, and surprisingly efficient for long journeys. A futuristic all-wheel drive system ensures stability whether cruising down a European highway or navigating mountain routes, while regenerative braking captures energy to recharge the battery packs, keeping the motorhome eco-aware without losing its wild edge. But performance is only half the story. The interior is a revelation of luxury. Enter the living quarters and you are greeted by an atmosphere of Italian craftsmanship at its finest. The lounge area is finished with hand-stitched leather, carbon fiber accents, and ambient lighting that can shift in mood and color, creating anything from a racing vibe to a serene retreat. Large panoramic windows surround you, designed with electrochromic technology, allowing you to adjust transparency for privacy or openness with a single touch. The kitchen space is compact yet fitted with high-end appliances, brushed metal finishes, and hidden storage, turning functionality into elegance. Further back, the master suite feels like a five-star hotel on wheels. A king-size bed floats within a sculpted frame, with Lamborghini's hexagonal design language repeated in the headboard and ceiling patterns. The walls are lined with suede and carbon trim, and the lighting is tailored to mimic natural circadian rhythms, helping travelers stay balanced even during long trips. The bathroom continues this philosophy, blending marble-like composites with futuristic glass panels, offering a rainfall shower that feels impossibly indulgent for something housed inside a motorhome. Every switch, every surface, every detail reminds you that this is not just another luxury RV, it is Lamborghini's interpretation of rolling art. Technology extends far beyond performance and comfort. The motorhome integrates an advanced AI travel assistant, capable of planning routes, suggesting scenic detours, and optimizing energy use. Voice commands allow full control over climate, lighting, and entertainment. A massive OLED screen slides out from a hidden compartment, turning the lounge into a cinematic theater, while an immersive audio system tuned by Lamborghini's acoustic engineers fills the space with clarity. For connectivity, satellite internet ensures passengers remain linked to the world no matter where the road leads, while augmented reality windows can overlay navigation data directly onto the view outside, merging digital and physical landscapes into one. Owning the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome is not about practicality, it is about reimagining what mobility can mean. It is for those who see travel not as a necessity but as an art form, who desire the thrill of performance but refuse to compromise on comfort. It is about arriving at a destination not unnoticed, but as the center of attention, because nothing else looks, sounds, or feels like this creation. Whether parked along the French Riviera, gliding through desert highways, or resting beside alpine lakes, the Lamborghini Motorhome transforms each journey into an event. What Lamborghini has achieved is more than a vehicle. It is a challenge to the limits of imagination. It shows that the essence of a supercar, speed, emotion, drama, design, can be stretched and expanded into a completely new category without losing its soul. The roar of the V12, the elegance of Italian craftsmanship, the futuristic technology, and the boldness of vision all combine in one breathtaking expression of what 2026 has to offer. This motorhome is not simply transportation, it is freedom, luxury, and performance woven together in a way only Lamborghini could envision. It is the house that moves at the speed of desire, the ultimate symbol of mobility for those who dare to dream without boundaries.